Okay, so this is the ultra wide camera. Present, it's operating in the light. I've just got a very dim Sony illuminator. It's got quite a narrow band on it, but it's obviously be a lot better with one of our 24 LED illuminators. Just walk down this way and then try not to trip over. And there's a little bit more illumination, even illumination in my office area. And again, you can just zoom into that and zoom out. You can see the type of range or width of view that I'm actually getting. So I must be about 6 foot away from that outer wall.